Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can cancel Ria Money Transfer. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So there are some ways you can do it. So there are apparently available two ways you can do that using your app, and you can also do that by contacting the customer care. To do by app, you're going to open up your app, make sure it's an updated one. Then you're going to go to login. Then you're going to enter your mobile or phone email that you created your account with, including your password. If you in case have forgotten, tap on forgot password to reset it, then tap on login and you're good to go. Once you have done that, you're going to go to the activity screen. From there, you have to select the transfer you would like to cancel. Once you select that transfer, you will see the transfer details on screen. Simply click the cancel transfer option. You will be asked to provide a reason why you're doing so. Simply provide a canceling reason. Once you have done that, you will have to tap on confirm the cancellation, and a cancellation will proceed. For you to cancel a transfer, you have to make sure that it is an ongoing transfer. If it has been done, it's not going to be cancelled. And that is basically it. So if it's in ongoing, then you can cancel and get the refund from it. If that's not work, contact the Ria customer care. If you can't cancel using the app or website, you can contact the customer care and you can ask them to help you out with the cancellation. So that is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.